Okay, in our previous tutorial video, I have taught you about the filter with search, and also you also can implement advanced number filter. Alright, so this video is I want to show it to you how to use advanced date filters. Okay, so advanced date filters can be used to view information from certain time period, such as last year, next quarter, or between two dates. Okay, so in this example, we will use advanced date filters to view only equipment that has been checked out between 15 July and 15 August. Okay, so as usual, alright, select the data tab. Okay, and then you click filter command. Okay, and then a drop down arrow will appear in the header cell for each column. Okay, so click the drop down arrow, alright, for the column that you want to filter. In our example here, we will filter column D to view only a certain range of dates. Okay, so the filter menu will appear here. Alright, move your mouse over date filters. Okay, alright, and then select the desired date filter from the drop down menu. In our example, we will select between, to view equipments. Again, alright, select date filters and between, to view equipment that has been checked out between 15 July and 15 August. Okay, so from here, alright, the content auto filter dialog box will appear. Alright, enter the desired date. To the right of each filter, then you click OK. So in our example here, we want to filter for date after or equal to 15 July, and then before or equal to 15 August 2015. Okay, so we will type as 7/15 July 2015. Alright, and then 15 August 2015. Okay, and then you click OK. So the results will be, the worksheet will be filtered by the selected date filter. In our example, we can now see which items has been checked out between 15 July and 15 August of 2015.